my signal. Beep, beep. Yep.
Let's see if there's anything wrong with the spaceship.
That's a good idea, Mickey.
Well, do you see anything missing?
The screws.
Right. 3 screws are missing. Do you see the missing screws?
Here we are.
All right. We found the 3 screws.
1, 2, 3.
We're going to need a mouse tool to put these screws into the spaceship. Who do we call?
Oh, Toodles!
Can we use a screwdriver to fix Goofy's spaceship? You betcha! Hey! We've used all our mouse tools. Say super cheers! Let's get to work. Which screw fits in the top hole? Let's try this one. The medium screw. Does the medium screw fit the hole? Nope, too big. Well, how about the small screw? Will it fit? Yep, just right. Now, which screw fits in the next hole? Let's try the medium screw again. Oh, this one's just right. We need one more screw.
Donald, you have a screw, don't you?
Yeah!
The largest screw. That'll do the trick. Perfect. Good job. Now let's tighten the screws with the screwdriver. Come on. Now turn the screwdriver with me. Turn, turn, turn. Turn it again. Turn, turn, turn. One more time. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, boy. We fixed Goofy's spaceship.
Oh, we did it!
See you back at the clubhouse, everybody. Bye.
Hey, let's all help Goofy count down. Ready? 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off.
All right. We rescued Goofy.
Hooray! We did it!
Come on, gang. Let's